It's sometimes the simple things that keep a workshop organised. And it's also the simple things, like Blue Roll, that keep it clean. That's why I decided it was time to find a better place to store mine and get them up onto my French Cleat wall. Hi, I'm Sean, and I'm on a mission to design better workshop storage solutions. I also share the files so you can organise your workshop too. I designed 3 different holders, but stick around to see which one works best in real-world use. First up, let's not overthink it. A simple bar through the roll has to be the easiest solution. I wanted a snap fastener design so I could easily swap in new rolls. Designing it in a way that could be printed without supports took some time. To make sure the centre would fit on a standard printer, I had to cut it in half. I'll glue this back together later. Alright, this should work. Let's get it printed. I added these locator pins to make sure it gets glued back in the right position. These little indents help keep the centre tube aligned and stop it from slipping out. To remove it, you just pinch these together and pull. At this point, I thought I was done, until I checked my other blue rolls and realised they were all different sizes. I noticed that rolls can have different centre tube sizes, and their lengths can vary quite a bit. I needed a design that could handle these differences. There were 3 key dimensions to think about. I figured a vertical holder would let the roll be any length. I just needed it to spin freely so the roll could unravel. Like the last design, I created a snap fit detail that could be printed without supports and still allow the centre to spin freely. I also added these rollers to make sure it rotated smoothly. This design worked really well, took up less wall space and was super satisfying to use. But it still didn't solve the centre tube size problem. Plus, it used quite a bit of filament. So I thought it might be worth trying a design that didn't need a centre tube at all. This design holds the roll at each end, meaning it can work with any roll length and any tube size. I just needed a way to keep both ends connected. Here's the full assembly, cut in half. You can see there's nothing linking the two sides yet. But I've got a solution. Let's get it printed first. To hold the roll in place, I designed the parts so a rubber band can be looped around them. That gets threaded through the roll and connects to the other side. To be honest, this was trickier than I expected. So, what do you think? Which design would you go for? For me, I think I'm going to stick with the second vertical design. Check out the description for links to the files and subscribe if you want to join me as I design more workshop organisation solutions.